Hi guys, welcome to my 50 days fasting for my weight loss journey. Today I'll be breaking my fast with 5 different fruits. This blender I have oranges, plum, pear, strawberries and kiwi, which I've already washed and chopped into the sizes that I want. So let's get it started. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and always come back to watch my other videos, the talk show, and everything else that I do on this channel. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up and leave a comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.